Hi, this short video 2 of Unit 3 is devoted to the reactivity of organometallic compounds of S and P metal groups, in particular those of alkyl lithium and Grignard reagents. As you will see, you have already learned quite a lot about them from the previous videos. Organolithium compounds are strongly polarized by the electropositive character of lithium. They are therefore highly reactive nucleophiles and react with almost all types of electrophiles. In fact, alkyl lithium compounds are extremely reactive and very sensitive to oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide, and therefore all manipulations must always be carried out under an inert atmosphere of dry nitrogen or argon. In their chemical behavior, organolithium compounds resemble Grignard reagents, but they are more reactive. Thermal decomposition of alkyl lithium between 50 and 150 degrees afford lithium hydride and the corresponding alkene. In the case of N-butyl lithium, that decomposition takes place from 0 Celsius, producing both butene and lithium hydride. As we have already seen, organolithiums behave as strong bases and nucleophiles due to their carbanionic character. The basicity of the organolithium compound increases with the number of alkyl substituents on the charge-bearing carbon atom, which makes terbutyl lithium the single strongest base commercially available. They are more reactive when dissolved in ethers than in hydrocarbons. But unfortunately, ethers can be metallated, especially the most basic ones, such as THF, that breaks rapidly at room temperature with butyl lithium. The oxygen atom weakens the carbon-hydrogen bond in alpha position, which makes the corresponding proton accessible for the protonation. Anyway, many reactions can be carried out in ethers and take place faster and with better yields than in hydrocarbons. Coordination of tetramethylethylene diamine to lithium increases the carbanionic character, that is nucleophilicity, of the alkyl, increasing its reactivity. The butyl lithium complex with tetramethylethylene diamine is a monomer, very soluble in hydrocarbons and a very strong metallating agent. Reacts with toluene and more slowly with benzene. Butyl lithium, in the absence of TMEDA, does not attack these two hydrocarbons. The reaction of butyl lithium with benzene takes place very slowly, and it is necessary to add a strong donor such as TMEDA or tert-butoxide for the lithium-hydrogen exchange to occur. As we could see in Unit 2, transmetallation of tetramethyltin with phenyl lithium is an appropriate method to prepare vinyl lithium. In this figure, you can find some of the reactions which demonstrate the great versatility of organolithium compounds. We'll talk about some of them in our class. Determination of the structures of Grignard reagents in solution is particularly complex because of the presence of multiple chemical species at equilibrium. The alide groups in alkyl magnesium halides and magnesium halides tend to form bridges between magnesium atoms to yield dimers and oligomeric structures, which are in equilibrium with monomeric species, which are simplified in this scheme in the Schlenk equilibrium. The degree of association among the magnesium centers and the position of the equilibrium is influenced by the solvent, temperature, concentration, the nature of the halogen, and the alkyl group. For example, this equilibrium can be driven to the right by the addition of dioxane, which causes the precipitation of the magnesium halide. In this case, the solution can then be filtered off and will contain only the d-organomagnesium. Let's remember that Grignard reagents react with water to produce alkanes, and that although less reactive than organolithium, they are alkylating and arylating reagents. Finally, we'll mention magnesiocene as a useful reagent for the introduction of cyclopentadienyl groups.